When a Windows patch installs incorrectly, administrators face device downtime, stalled operations, and growing pressure on IT teams. SOTI MobiControl's Rollback Faulty Windows Patches feature allows administrators to safely reverse faulty patches, whether immediately or on a scheduled basis, with full visibility into any failed uninstallations. In this video, you'll learn how to roll back a Windows update using SOTI MobiControl to quickly restore stability across your devices. From the main menu, open Platform Updates. Here, you'll see a list of available updates. Select an update from the list, open the three-dot menu, and choose Rollback Updates. A panel appears showing all devices that currently have the selected update installed. Each entry includes the device name, device ID, and device group to help with identification. From here, you can choose to uninstall the update immediately or schedule the uninstallation for a later time, giving IT teams the flexibility to resolve issues right away or plan maintenance during low-activity hours to avoid disrupting ongoing work. The Available tab shows devices where the update is currently installed. The Scheduled tab displays devices that are already scheduled for uninstallation. To schedule a rollback, select a device and open the Scheduled tab. Enable the option to highlight failed uninstallations, if required, so administrators can easily identify devices that may need additional attention. Select Schedule Rollback, choose the date and time, enter a reason, and confirm. The device now appears in the scheduled list, allowing teams to coordinate rollbacks in a controlled and organized way. To make changes, enable Edit Mode. You can select devices in three ways. Select individual devices, select all devices on the current page, select all devices across all pages. This flexibility is especially useful when device fleets vary in size, for example, when an issue affects only a handful of frontline devices in one location, or when a widespread update needs to be rolled back across hundreds of devices at once. Having multiple selection options helps IT respond efficiently to both small, targeted fixes and large-scale operational incidents. To modify a rollback, select Edit Rollback and update the date, time, or reason. To cancel a rollback, select Cancel Rollback, provide a reason for cancellation, and confirm. The scheduled uninstallation is removed, and the device is returned to the Available tab, helping IT maintain accuracy and avoid unnecessary changes. Now let's look at an immediate rollback. Open the Immediately tab and select a device that contains the update. When you select Rollback, a compatibility check appears, showing how many devices are eligible to receive the action. This option is especially useful when a faulty update is actively disrupting work. For example, when a frontline employee's Windows device freezes or becomes unresponsive during a critical task and needs to be restored right away. Devices that are offline may not receive the rollback. When prompted, enter a reason and confirm the rollback. If a device does not successfully receive the action, the system records it as a failed uninstallation, making it easy to identify and follow up, ensuring no device remains stuck on an update that could disrupt operations. And that's how the Rollback Faulty Windows Patches helps IT teams quickly restore device stability, reduce downtime, and keep operations running smoothly, whether an issue affects a single device or an entire fleet. Thanks for watching. Visit SOTI Pulse to explore the latest features and updates.